Hello everyone. Today I'd like to talk about a subject for collision shops. If you're growing a body shop or collision shop and you don't have an estimating with EMS extract, you're probably not going to be able to price match with the Asian imports like Honda, Acura, Infiniti, Nissan, Toyota and Lexus, just to name a few. I probably left out Mazda. But if you're in today's industry, these manufacturers have decided to start price matching. But the disconnection is that's bad for us if you're on the collision side is that although Collision Link OPS Trax is free, EMS extract and one of the top tier estimating systems is not, and most of the time is just not feasible for the average body shop to pay for the price. I know some of the estimating systems are a little higher than others. I know some of them can be up to $300-400 a month, and some shops just don't have the need for they don't use it on a constant basis to justify the price. But yeah, that's pretty much the deal there, is that if you don't have an estimating system, it's pointless for the software to be free, because you can't use it. And what that means for dealers, if you're a dealer out there and you're trying to get more business, is the same top 5 shops or body shops or collision shops are going to be the ones ordering from you and have those capabilities, while insurance is writing estimates for aftermarket and salvage to the additional 50 to 150 plus shops in the city, depending on what city you're in, and they don't have the capabilities, so you are unable to capture that business. And of course, for the body shop, if you'd like to price match and you're used to sending in an estimate, hard copies are no longer allowed. And you'll find that out really quick if you haven't already found out yourself. I know this because I'm in wholesale marketing and outside sales, and I've been doing this for the last 20 years. And I took a break during COVID to work at a shop, and I was quickly reminded of that scenario, or what's happening now. And I thought it was very alarming and a big deal. After getting back into marketing and visiting multiple dealerships to pitch them and tell them what I do for them and convince them to hire me ultimately, I told them about this issue, and no one believed that this is actually really happening, which I was alarmed by. And if I continue the conversation, then I'm insulting their intelligence. So when people tell me, oh, I have what you offer, and what you're offering I already have, I mean, there's nothing really you can say after that. And when they say, yeah, my outside salesman does that. So, I'm kind of stuck at that point. I can't tell the guys, no, he's not. I mean, how do you recover from that if you tell the guy, no, you actually don't know what you're talking about, listen to me? I mean, I'm not really going to go there and get into a battle with someone like that. But this is a big deal. You're not going to be able to capture any more business if you're not thinking outside the box. And the videos for both sides, whether you're a dealer or you're a shop. If you're a shop, I'll leave the link of my email at the end of the video. And if you're having this issue, I'd like to find out, because I should be putting together a service that would allow independents who don't have the capabilities to price match. What that means is I would be doing the price matching process for the shop under the shop name and submitting to the dealer, so that they could submit the proper paperwork, and they could go through the proper guidelines in order to be qualified under a price match program. But if your body shop's been watching this and you got quoted LKQ or Keystone, and remember, if it's Chevy, Ford, and Dodge, I believe they're still doing hard copies, and I'm doing they're doing hard copies. If you don't have it on a yeah, some of them still do hard copies. Dealers, I just depends on who it is. But yeah, definitely reach out to me, and if it's Honda, Acura, Infiniti, I'm still working out what the pricing structure is going to be on my services for this. But feel free to contact me and inquire, because I'm just curious to know how many people need it, and so I can roll this out, and we can all help each other take advantage of price matches. I'm on the dealer side as well. Like I said, my dealers could benefit from selling more OEM parts, or those that are associated with me. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much what I wanted to let everyone know about is the price matching. And a lot of times the prices are so low that it beats searching around for these parts. And a lot of times, depending on the options the cars have, you're not going to find them in the salvage yard or LKQ. LKQ takes forever to deliver, and by the time they bring you the right one, you're behind on your job. So cycle time wise, I know all the body shops that I deal with, they're always in a rush. If the customer's in a rush to get her car back, loaners, all that stuff. So definitely something to look into, and definitely reach out to figure out where I'm at in the process. And I just really want to get an idea of how many people need this. If you could leave on the comments below that this is a problem I have, or I'm looking forward, so that I can have those that extra software ready, and get the estimating softwares necessary to roll out that program, so we can have a solution for this. But other than that, that wraps up the video. That's the main point of the video. Price matching. Anybody that doesn't have the estimating system with EMS, Extract, that lets you communicate and send the estimate to the Collision Link or OPS website or Parts Trader website, you're not going to be able to price match. So yeah, that's it, guys. Please leave your comments below and let me know what you're experiencing, and I'll see you on the next one. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.